Alright, we got the trucks back together, and I think we found a wiring solution. Now, if you remember the last time we did this, we had a lot of trouble with this wiring system where the hangers on the sides of the trucks would touch the bottom of this copper strip, and that's how it got power. Well, one of the things that did was limit the ability of the trucks to turn, and it wasn't hardwired. And this thing is heavily oxidized, and I can't imagine it got very good power pickup. So what I did was drilled 2 holes, and I put some wire in here. And pull this up a little bit. Okay, so now we got some wires right here. Let's zoom in on that. So we're going to give this a try. I already tested the shell on here, and that worked pretty good. And I think we're good to go. And now we can reinstall the motor and get it all back together. But I'm more comfortable having it wired to this, which is then wired to the motor, than it was when it was just wiping on the motor. And that may have been some of the problem. There it is. We're looking pretty good. We're going to get the motor in there and then give it a test.